Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign something as homework on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Blooket website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. Now after you have logged into your account, you can go ahead and choose any game that you want from the Discover section. Just go ahead and click on any game that you're interested in. And then once you're on the game's detail page, you will find a button called Assign Homework. Simply click on this button and now you will be able to select the details of your homework. Simply click on the game mode and then click on the Assign Homework button. Now you will be able to change the due date as well as the time, and also enter the title for your homework. You can then also set up the goal amount for your game and choose whether you want to allow access for student accounts. Make sure this is turned on if you're assigning students the homework that you're just selecting. Now you can simply click on Assign Now and all of the students that you selected will be assigned this homework. You can also share the link from the URL, and when your students click on the link that you share, they will be able to access the homeworks right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to assign homework on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.